Hopefully I don't scare her. I'm trying to open this container, so I'm gonna film it just in case. I'm pretty sure she's gonna jump. And I don't mean it. But this container is very, very difficult to open. So I'm gonna try. Oh wow. I opened it, it was loud, and she didn't even move. Holy crap. But her tail is a little bit. That's funny. Now she moves. Hi. What? Wait, what'd you say?
I said when you cough, you sucked in air.
Yeah, if I suck in air, I should have burped, not hiccup.
Yeah, but you did burp, but the one small little air bubble got stuck.
I think she's kind of afraid of it. Yeah, she's afraid of the hiccup.
Yeah, get that one on.
I'm filming. There's the hiccup burp. Shoot.
Yeah, that one.
That's the burp one. It's so weird though. It's so weird though because it comes with a burp and what do I do? Peanut butter.
With
always-
water.
No. But there was one person that actually commented on the video.
Really?
They said to do more hiccup videos because they like it.
I told you that.
What do you mean you told me that?
I said to do, when you get the hiccups, to do the camera. Because it's funny.
Yeah, but I still don't understand my hiccups. They're like super hiccups because they literally will never go away.
Yeah.
If I don't have peanut butter, they will not go away. Why is that funny?
Those are just really funny.
Why? I don't understand this. The burp made me choke. What the hell? Okay, why is that on the floor?
Thomas,
What is that?
that's a duck.
Why?
Loki wanted the smell of it.
Where'd it come from?
From a drawer.
I've never seen that before.
You've never seen the ducky?
Oh. Not that one.
Those will make you suck.
Okay, this really hurts now. It hurts.
Because you keep one more.
It hurts right up in my chest. I gotta have the peanut butter.
Not yet. These are funny.
Yeah, but then nobody's gonna wanna. I mean, I don't want to say nobody, but on the vlog, it's a vlogging video. Nobody's gonna want to watch that for 10 minutes.
Yes, it's a vlogging video of you.
Yeah, but come on, 10 minutes worth?
It's
Okay, I've got to get Peter. My hiccups are really, really, really weird, and I don't understand it. I have to. Wow, these ones are hurting. Okay. Uh-oh, it's stuck. Ow, damn, these really hurt. Huh? Oh, I need to drink water before I have the peanut butter because I don't want the same thing that happened last time. Huh? But I have to. It's already been 5 minutes. No, I'm not had the whole video, just Hiccup. Do you notice how the do you notice how the tone and the volume and stuff changes throughout the hiccups? It's so weird. I got it, Mom. I'm so sorry for anybody that finds that disgusting.
It's funny. Thomas, don't.
There are some people that find the burping disgusting.
Oh, really? That's why you got more views? And even that one that asked you, please make some more?
It's almost at 200 views now.
Thomas, I'm telling you, it's
That's weird. My hiccup video is the most watched vlogging video that I have.
It's hilarious. This is the only thing that makes me laugh the way that I do.
I know, but these ones hurt. It hurt like right around here.
Wouldn't you? This was for the people. And now you're telling me you swallowed the peanut butter already?
Oh, God, it's gone.
Why?
Mom.
Why did you do that? I was laughing.
Can I put you on video?
They heard me laughing.
Yeah, can I put you on the video?
Oh, not yet.
Why don't you want to be on the video with glasses on?
Well, because it's 2 o'clock in the morning.
Well,
My
yeah,
God.
it is 2 a.m. Shoot.
Thomas, that was so funny. And then, see,
I keep getting an itch right here.
I instantly stopped laughing.
That's because it's a temporary thing.
You could have made it last.
No, it's a temporary laugh, you know.
Thomas, no. Remember that time that you just kept doing it and doing the more peanut butter? It still
Yeah.
wouldn't go away.
There was one time I had like, what, 300 calories of peanut butter before it would finally stop. Luckily, it went away after just the first one this time. So
Yeah. No, that was so
I don't know,
funny.
something, it started hurting in my boob. I mean, the behind
It's
it,
the-
you know, and
yeah,
the
it's
like
the air.
in this lung or
Yeah.
whatever. I don't know. It's like weird pain.
You had so much air that kept.
So now that these are back, is this gonna go in like a circle to where like several months later I'm gonna start getting the stomach shit again?
Because what happened was when you coughed, you got air in there.
I know,
And
but I
then
had hiccups 2 days ago too, and that wasn't because of coughing.
You burped it back up, and then that little air bubble got stuck.
Yeah, right. But I'm
That's
just
what
saying,
causes
like,
hiccups.
what about the 2 days ago one?
Well, that wasn't bad.
Yeah,
You
it
still
was
got
until
air in there.
until I got the peanut butter.
But I mean, you still got air in there.
I just hope it doesn't start causing stomach problems again 3 months down the line or whatever.
Well, you
Because
just got air in
I
there.
had these hiccups for a while, and then...
Hilarious.
Okay. Yeah, it's 2 a.m. right now, so I'm gonna...
That's so funny.
To anybody that finds that disgusting, I'm sorry.
No, it's
Anybody that
fun.
finds it funny, then okay, good. Anyway, we should probably go to bed. I'm probably not yet, but I probably should, but
Oh my gosh, that was so funny.
this video might be a long one because I already have, what, 10 minutes of... Well, I don't know, because I perceive time differently, so I don't really know how long it's been. But I think like 10 minutes of footage already.
That was so funny.
And the day hasn't even started yet. And we gotta go to Walmart and the bank. Oh, my stomach hurts now.
Not Walmart.
Same place.
Thomas,
Right
there's
here underneath.
A lot of air.
In the intestine area. Yeah, but the intestines? That's the bad place.
Yeah, but you eat.
Everybody eats. Okay, I'll see you guys. Well, in a second for you. Night. What did I do to my wrist? Huh. Oh, that's chocolate. Oh, now that makes me look like a fat pig. It does. Look, I'm smeared. I have chocolate smeared on me. What? It does. It's like. No.
You ever say that? Remember
For
that
real.
one show? It's shit. There's shit all over.
That's Dumb and Dumber.
That's. Oh, it was?
Dumb and Dumber or Dumb and Dumberer or one of them.
Oh my god, it was so funny. There's shit. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
There's shit. There's shit all over.
With
oh
the
my god,
melted candy bar.
Yeah, and I laughed so hard. Oh my god.
Okay.
I don't know why.
Actually, it's not time to go to bed yet. It's garbage day. I don't know about you guys, but it seems to always be garbage day. Okay. It really does, because like I like to film taking out the garbage for whatever reason, I have no idea, and it seems to always be garbage day. Oh man, I have absolutely nothing to say right now after that hiccup thing and all that. So there we go, there's the garbage. Ooh, look at the sky today. It looks like the sky is ripping open in certain areas. It's weird. You know, I think it's kind of funny. Like when you look like in all the houses and stuff, how it's all dark. Every day it seems like I'm the only one. Like, I mean, I'm sure there's probably other people who stay up late, but it looks like I'm always the only one because I never ever see or hear anybody. It's so weird. Anyway, I gotta check the roof quick because the one outside cat that comes in sometimes is up here and I don't see him. I was just gonna check to see because I was gonna let him in if he was out there. Okay, I should probably go to bed now. Good night. Well, I woke up to Mom washing this chair because it's been dirty for a while. We have like 4 of them, and when my stepdad and his friend came, he always would take these and then bring them outside and never brought them back in. So like they would get like really, really dirty, and it's like impossible to clean pretty much, even though it is possible, but very, very, very hard to clean. So I woke up to her cleaning one of them. She said it took 5 hours just to clean one. So she cleaned it, and she asked me to rinse it off. So that's what I'm doing. And hopefully I don't be stupid and somehow get the camera all wet. But I need something to film, so might as well film this, right? This is the easy part. What she did was hard part. Wonder what water looks like on the camera. I never really tested that out much. Want to make sure I spray it down real good so that there's none of that cleaner stuff still on it. I almost tripped. And yeah, it's going to be 80 all week here in Florida. Isn't that nice? I'm sorry to people who are still in the cold. But during the summertime, you guys should probably feel sorry for us because it's 100, 110 degree weather some days. So it does go both ways, just at different times. Well, I think that's as washed off as it can get, but just in case there's anything on the bottom, like the cleaner got on the bottom or something, I don't know where it could drip. There. Now, I'll rinse this part off one more time since it got on the ground. Whoa, and it's done. That could have been bad for the camera. I let it go without even thinking. There. And there's the nice, clean looking chair. Clean looking $10 chair. Or whatever. There's still a little bit of marks on here though for some reason. Could probably be wiped off though. Okay. Actually, oh wait. Forgot I gotta get the mail now. It's weird. It's here, like, I mean there is, but it just doesn't seem like it to me. There's a kitty. That's probably Squeaky. Squeaky! Oh, it's Squeaky. Hi, Squeaky. Yeah? Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? Huh? I love this cat's meow. It's so funny. Oh, man. Bunch of magazines. Yeah. What, kitty? Okay. What? What? Why are you a little bit wet? Okay. She's following me now. What? You following me? You want food? Huh? Yeah, you want food? Okay, come on. That's so funny, isn't it? Look at the clouds today. So nice. Come on, kitty. Gotta have some food. Okay, hopefully this one's over. But I'm gonna shut off the camera now. I gotta bring the chair back in and everything. Well, in the back room so it can dry, but... Okay. You know, I was thinking about what I said. That probably sounds like it took way too long to clean that chair. When I said it took Mom 5 hours. She had a Brillo pad, and it's only like this big, because that's all that was left with that, you know, how it breaks apart and gets smaller and smaller. She only had a little Brillo pad about this big left, and she had to scrub like all the mold and mildew and stuff off it, and it was like thick to the chair as though it was like part of the plastic or under the plastic. So like you have to like scrub the same spot over and over and over and over and keep spraying the bubble stuff on, or whatever it's called, you know, the scrubbing bubbles, and you gotta keep scrubbing in the same spot. I don't know. I mean, honestly, I probably would have just bought a new chair, but with my stepdad's money, since it was his fault, and just kept those as outside chairs or something. I don't know. Because we use outside chairs for inside chairs. Because those are normally, typically, outside chairs. So, but yeah, that's why it took her 5 hours. Not, you know, that plus, yeah. Anyway, so I wanted to explain that in the exact same video as I said that way people that aren't like, why did it take her 5 hours? You know, ignore all that. Okay, now that's settled. Okay, so my mom just got these screens, and they came in the mail today. And so we've never opened up any of these windows since we've been here. We don't even know how many of them can't open. So I'm going to try my window. This will be the very first time ever opening it. Never mind. I just used literally all of my energy trying to get this window open. There's the locks are off. I pull the switch, you know, the switches on the sides the way most windows work. Sorry, I'm trying to get my glove off because I was trying to use the gloves so that it didn't hurt so much. But no matter what we do, my window will not open. My mom's window opened, though, easily, so we know how to open the window, but this window just will not do it for some reason. The people that used to live in this house ruined a lot of stuff in this house, especially the floor under the rugs and stuff. Like they put like a new rug over the floor or something so that we couldn't see what the damage was to the floor. So I guess I won't have one for now. Anyway, I'm going to end the video here. I'm assuming there's probably enough footage anyway, so see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.